Hey, aviators, fly home and taxi to your very own hangar, for sale by owner on Scooters Air Park in Sterling, Alaska, off the Sterling Highway. Considered by many to be sportsman's playground of South Central Alaska. AK-84 on a paved road and paved driveway with a built-in lawn sprinkler system, fire pit, and patio. The hangar is 50 by 50 foot with a wide 44-foot door, living area, 12 and 16-foot ceilings, kitchen, laundry, and bath on a 1.8 acre lot. All utilities are buried: gas, water, electric, and telephone. The airstrip runway is 100 foot wide and 2,400 foot long, pilot-controlled lighted, compacted D1 gravel with paved run-ups on both ends of the runway that is maintained and plowed year-round. Beautiful residential air park with protective CC&Rs. Next to the hangar is an additional lot at $90,000 with a pad that is already built on it. Located on Scout Lake Loop Road for $330,000. The Kenai and Russian River provide great investment opportunities. Call owner at 907-398-2607. Turnkey and ready to move in now.